Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. In today's vocab video, let's talk about forever chemicals. These man-made substances, known as toxins, were first developed in the 1930s and are found in many products, especially food packaging like wrappers and takeout containers. They earned the name forever chemicals because they don't break down easily in the environment. Over time, they've entered our food chain, particularly in seafood. Research has shown that marine creatures like shrimp, prawns, and lobster have high levels of these toxins. This is concerning because when humans consume these seafood items, the toxins can stay in our blood and cause health issues such as cancer, kidney, and liver problems, and hormonal changes. Developmental damage to unborn babies is also a significant risk. That's why safety guidelines are crucial to help us make better choices about our diet and reduce exposure to these harmful substances. Understanding the impact of forever chemicals helps us to take steps to protect our health and the environment. By being aware, we can continue to enjoy seafood while minimizing potential risks. Government and health organizations are starting to recognize the dangers of these chemicals, leading to increased research and regulation efforts. Additionally, consumers can make informed choices by checking labels and opting for products that are free from harmful chemicals. Together, these steps can help reduce the prevalence and impact of forever chemicals in our lives. If you enjoyed this session, please like and subscribe to the video.